Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am from United Public School. Welcome to social subject from 9th class.
Student, what we have learned in previous video? In chapter number 3, hydrosphere. In that we have studied in previous video what is hydrosphere and stages of water cycle. We studied in previous video. And what we have learned in previous video? Water sources also we have learned in previous video. Today we will go through the remaining part. What is that part? Relief of the ocean. See, today's our topic is relief of the ocean. The ocean basins are in many ways similar to the land surface. There are submarine ridge plateaus, canyons and terraces found within ocean. Ocean floor is divided into four parts. Okay, the ocean basins are in many ways similarly to the land surface. So there are submarine ridges are there, plateaus are there, canyons are there and terraces are there. So these where we found this found in ocean. So these ocean floor are divided into four parts. What are those four parts we can see here? First one is continental shelf. Okay, first one is what here? Continental shelf. The continental shelf with a depth of up to 200 meters occupy about 7.6% of the ocean area. It is bordered zone between land and sea. The largest continental shelf is Siberian Shelf in the Arctic Ocean, stretching to 1500 km in world. So what is continental shelf? So continental shelf is depth is 200 meters. How much depth it is? It is 200 meters. So it occupies about 7.6% of ocean area. So this continental shelf is occupies 7.6 of the ocean area. So continental shelf increases the sea level slowly. Slowly land after beaches after continental shelf. First slowly land after that beaches after that continental shelf. Okay. Then we go to very depth. The large continental shelf is Siberian, which is our largest continental shelf is Siberian. Okay, Siberian shelf. So where is this Siberian shelf? In Arctic Ocean. So it is about 1500 kilometer width. So how much width it is? 1500 kilometer its width. Okay. Continental shelf is important because continental shelf is important. So where this continental shelf is important, we can see here. Fish wealth is more in this region. So continental shelf, what we have to see in continental shelf here? Fishes. We have to see the fish wealth is more in this region. And crude oil, natural gases are found here. Building seaport is possible here. So these are the important because of continental shelf. Okay. What we have to find in this continental shelf? Fish wealth, crude oil, natural gases, building seaport is possible here. Okay. Now see the second one. Continental slope. First one is what here? Continental shelf we will study. Not second one is what? Continental slope. The continental slope is spread from 200 meter to 3000 meter depth with a complex relief. It comprises of 15% of the ocean area. The continental slope boundary indicated the continents. Submarine canyon has also been observed in this region. They are formed by the process of erosion of glacier and river. See here, continental slope means when continental slope cross 200 kilometers to 3000 kilometer depth, it will be increases. Continental slope completely increases. It is complex relief to understand. Why it was complex relief? Because whenever the river water glacier, whenever the river water glacier come out and cut the slope, when it cut the slope, canyon will form and valleys are formed in the continental occupies. Okay. So continental occupies 15% of the ocean area. Now see here figure here. Look at this figure. This is known as continental shelf. So in this is the depth area. Okay. This is the depth area. So next one is what here? Continental slope. First one is continental shelf. Next second one is continental slope here. Okay. In that what we have to find? the river water will glaciers come out, cut the stop. When it cut the stop, canyon were formed here. Okay, canyon were formed, and valleys are formed in this continental slope. How much percent of the ocean is covered here? 15% of the ocean area is covered in this continental slope. So these continental slope indicate the continent also. Now see the third one here. Deep sea plain. Deep sea plains are gently sloping area of the ocean basins. They are the flattest and smoothest region of the world. The deepest vary between 3000 to 6000 meters. It covers about 76.2% of the ocean basin. So deep sea plain. Okay. Now see the figure here. See, first one is continental shelf now second one is continental slope. In that continental slope we find canyon. Next see deep sea plain. We have deep sea plain. Deep. In the word it has its meanings. Deep sea plain here. Okay. In our textbook it will mention what we have mentioned here. See here. Geodes. G-Y-G-U-Y-O-T. Geodes. Okay. Geode means these are the mountain which has flat tops. Okay. These are the mountain which have flat tops. For example, see here. This is a mountain here. When the water is flowing continuously here. So how the valley is there? How this top is there? It may be smooth here. See. It is like this. Okay. So first mountains is like this. No? When the water is flowing here continuously, what will happen? It may be like this. Okay. This is known as geodes. Okay. So it is called as geodes. No? So how this flat top? Because of the sea water eroded here. It has gently slope area. Now see next one, mid-oceanic ridge here. So mid-oceanic ridge means oceans are formed due to the divergent plates. No? How the oceans form here? To the divergent plate. So how the divergent plates is there? See, we have two plates is there. When the two plates is moving here, whenever these two plates moving, seawater will be come out and spread to the mid-oceanic ridges. Okay. So these ridge will be formed to the lava here. Okay. These ridges will be formed to the lava like this. Okay. So this is known as mid-oceanic ridge. Next see the fourth one, oceanic deeps. These are large narrow trenches that plug as great ocean depth to a depth of 6000 meters. Contrary to our expectation, most of the deepest trenches are not located in the midst of ocean. They are found more close to the continent. That is why they are very significant in the study of plate movement. As many as 57 deeps has been explored as so far here. So ocean deeps, these are the narrow trenches that plug as a great ocean. So how much deep is there? 6000 meter is there. Deep, oceanic deep is 6000 meters. Okay. So contrary to our expectation, most of the deepest strips are not located in the mid of the ocean. So most of these oceans are not located here. Okay. Deepest trenches are not located in the midest ocean. So they are found more close to the continents. Where they found? This ocean may found in the close to the continent. So that is why they are very significant to study a plate movement. As many, they have 57 deeps have been explored so far. So how many deeps will be explored here? 57 deeps has been explored so far. Now see here. Now see what is isobath. A line joining points on the seabed at an equal vertical distance beneath the surface. So what is the isobath here? A line joining point on the seabed at an equal vertical distance beneath the surface, sometimes referred to as depth counter, is known as isobath. Now see here. Do you know major ocean trenches here? We have serial number, name of the trench, ocean and depth. How much depth is there? Okay. Now see the first one, Challenger. Now see which ocean is there here? Pacific Ocean. How much deep it is? 11,022 meters depth is there. Now see second one here. Naves, Puerto Rico or Naves here. So which ocean it will come? The Atlantic Ocean. So how much depth it is? It has 1,475 depth is there. Okay. Now see third one, Java. Where is Java come here? In which ocean? Indian Ocean. So how much depth is there? 7,450 meters depth is there. So this is a major ocean reaches is there. Okay. In that we complete our relief of the ocean. So how many types of there in that? We have four types now. First one is continental shelf. Second one is continental slope. Third one is deep sea, and fourth one is oceanic depth. We have four relief of the ocean is there. Okay, in that we complete our topic. Next, the remaining topic we will discuss in next class. So today's your assignment. See, today's your assignment question number 3. Do you think that the description of blue planet is accurate? Describe any one way in which your activity impact its ocean. So this third one is your assignment. Copy this in your social notebook and send the answer of this question in our group. Okay, thank you.